We are in North Hampton, Massachusetts after we couldn't find our Indian outpost. It was closed. So now we're going to see the North Hampton Brewery with little man all bundled up. Very brisk winter day, I would say. Whew. Where are we going? Yeah, there's Don over there. Whew. Daddy got chicken fingers. Henry got chicken fingers. Mama got a burger. How you doing, buddy? You're doing good? Did you like your chicken fingers? And your pickle? And your french fry? You getting a little restless? I think he's gonna restless. You did good though. You did good. You did good.
Oh, yeah.
North Hampton, Mass. Not bad. Cool. It's a cool little area. A little downtown area. Looks like there's a little castle over there. There's the brewery we just ate and drank at. It was pretty cool. Now we're heading, checking a couple malls. A little airplane up there. Not bad, about an hour and a half outside of Boston. And there's the Jeep store. Ready to go. All right, so it's the next day. We went to the brewery and then we went to a couple malls. So you'll see those videos in the malls a little bit. But today I have to replace. I had to replace the. See how it's cracked right there? My taillight on my car. But this whole assembly, exact the way it looks, is like they want $140. They don't just sell the glass piece right there. You have to buy the whole entire lamp. But I found some aftermarket ones for $80. I get 2 of them, and they're LEDs, not incandescents, so I don't have to replace them. So I got the sun on that right there. So that's what we're gonna replace. So I'm gonna show you how to take on off, and I'm gonna show you how to reinstall it. So we already took one off, so I'll show you how to take the other one off. All right, so on these Wranglers, you can't access the light from the side right there. You have to actually, so you pop this off. So you use a screwdriver and just pop that off, and then you see this little kind of hex screw right there. So they actually provide you in these Wranglers with the actual parts to do it. So it's a little, you know, I forget what they call these things, but you just loosen it up. It should pop right off once you screw it out. All right, there you go. So save this piece, put it with the back, and they label them too, so right and left, which is cool. Then when I come around to the light, yeah, the lights are on, so I gotta make sure I shut my lights off. All right, so they should just pop right off like this. All right, so if you're doing this at home, this is a LJ, so it's 2018. Halfway through the year in newer model, so all these will have these. So there's a little tab right here. We're gonna push that tab up to unlock it, and then I'm gonna have to play around. It was a little difficult on the other side, so I'll show you what happens once I take it out. All right, so once you do that, pull this right off, and then you take the whole assembly off. So this is still good. I want to keep it though, in case I need like a backup for some reason. But I'm gonna take this over here. All right, so this is one I already did. Notice there's like holes right there. They fit right in there, so it actually pops right in. Really nice. So, well, of course, I'll show you. Gotta make the connection first as well. Make sure that's nice and tight, and lock it down. Make sure I locked it. Yep, it's locked. And that slides just in like so. Boom. All right, cool. Let's tighten that piece up there. All right, so one thing to tell you, see there's not this cone-shaped thing right here. It says cone-shaped thing. There's none there. So this is actually a bracket. You gotta unscrew it, and you gotta install it onto the aftermarket one. And this is what, this hole right here, right there is what that screws into it. So I'm turning and turning, nothing's happening. So you gotta make sure you do this. So let's take this off and let's reinstall this onto the new one. All right, so it's a little dusty. So what I did is I re-screwed in the bolt, the screw that was there, and put the cover back on. So I'm gonna do the same over here. I notice it's open over there. I already get the light off. This is the old light that we're replacing, and then in here is the brand new light right here, and I gotta put that assembly in the back right there and install it back up there. So I'll show you what it looks like. All right, don't mind the dirty car, but I got the brake lights, so that's the brakes. Let's see what the flashes look like. All right, that flash is good. That flash is good. There we go, very nice. So that concludes that job. It's pretty easy. It took about a half hour to do. The hardest part was just disconnecting the cable. Was a little stuck, but once you squeeze it in, you got it really good. So there you go. That's how you replace and put some aftermarket LED taillights in a Jeep LJ. What's up, everybody? Arty84 here, and this has been one of the probably the craziest videos we've done in a while. We started in North Hampton, Massachusetts, and then we went to 2 malls yesterday. So we went to the Hampshire Mall in Hadley, Mass, and the Holyoke Mall in Holyoke, Mass. Don't mind the hair, a little crazy. I'm in the basement right now. So those are going to be 2 separate videos that you're going to see in the weeks to come. So don't worry, we're going to be showing that stuff, but we want to do it separately for you. So we went to the brewery. Didn't film much in the brewery, but we are. I had some stuff to do around the house, so you just seen me replace my taillights to my Jeep. So if that's something you needed to learn how to do or needed to do, now you know how to do it, which is really simple. So that's pretty cool. In addition to that, I figured I'd just end this with an update with the Lego City, since you guys probably haven't seen the Lego City on this channel, unless you subscribe to the Lego only channel, which is the Wicked Bricksters. If you do, then this is probably just another day in the life of you for you for checking this out. And if not, then I have to give you a little sneak peek, and then you can go check out Wicked Bricksters YouTube page and keep a weekly update. So let's start. We'll start at the water. I'll give you a quick little tour of Henryville, which is the name of the Lego City. All right, so I know months ago we had talked about Lego City, but I'm just going to give you a brief overlook. If you like what you see, you can go to the Wicked Bricksters page and check that all out. But here's the underwater area. We got the very, very busy harbor over there. That house right there is my house and Suzi's. You can actually go real quick. You've probably seen this picture. If you're a fan of the Wicked Bricksters, there's Henry chasing Tommy and Nola. There's me in the red hat. Suze and my mother-in-law right there. Then we got the airport over there. And we got some of the modular buildings going here. This is our friend Eric's house right there. He's dancing with Leia and looks like Tori Smith and Rachel from Friends. And then there's the comedy club, bookstore, one of the townhouses. We got some family houses over here right on the water. And then we got a party up on the roof up there. Some of the fantasy football league up there. They're dancing up there. We got the new building over there that we're starting to build. Is the police station and the donut shop. We already got a first floor down on there. What else here? We got some camping, some restaurants right there, the radio station. Back there is the roller coaster. And here we are into the amusement park. This is all the amusement park right here. Grilling every day. This is also the amusement park. This is some building we're going to be doing over here fairly soon. And here's the front of the amusement park. And I don't know what the train is these days, but let's see. The train, oh, it's parked over there, so you can't really see it. But here's the monorail to take you around the city. And yeah, there's the front of the amusement park right there. We got a nice little fountain, some tickets. There's the Sesame Street set, the Flintstones set. And yeah. So we'll go over further this way, following the monorail track to the other points of the city. This is the small little village downtown area. Smaller buildings, but you know, some still stores and everything like that. And we got a nice skating rink over there, and a big giant windmill that would eventually be moved once we figure out another place for it, once we expand. And we got the beach over here with the RVs. We got a little bit of traffic going on the street right here. There we go. This family right here. And that's the future home of the baseball stadium, and we have tons more space to go. So that is pretty much a brief overlook of Lego City. Well, if you're really interested, check out the Wicked Bricksters on YouTube and the Wicked Bricksters on Instagram. We have pictures every day. We update everything. So the city is constantly growing. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy all the videos that Sue and I and Henry do on the Wicked Explorers. And subscribe if you haven't already. And also pound that little alarm button. So every time we post a new video, which is about every Friday, you get notified. So there you go. Thank you guys again for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.